Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a makeup tutorial. I am wearing my band and just pull my hairs back. I will do a very neutral everyday kind of makeup tutorial, so it can be wear as a birthday party, or if you want to go somewhere with your friends, you want to look a little bit edgy or something, like if you want to go to a party, wedding guest, anything. So this is a super versatile makeup tutorial, and I have not done a makeup tutorial from since so long. So let's get started. So the first and foremost thing I will do is priming my face. As I told you or not told you, I don't remember, but this makeup tutorial will have everything affordable. सब कुछ बहुत affordable है, आपके budget में आ जाएगा. It would be easy and affordable for everyone out there. So the first product as a primer which I am using is Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Gel. So aloe vera gel can be used as a primer, and I love aloe vera gel as a primer because it gives a dewy look to your skin. So next up I will take a foundation. This is a new foundation. This is Lakme Insta Finish Foundation. It has an SPF 8. It doesn't matter. This is how the product looks. I will just strap this into my face everywhere. My face looks a little darker, but I know this is my perfect shade because it oxidizes to my skin tone a lot. This foundation oxidizes like crazy into my skin as I have an oily skin. So I will take a beauty blender and blend this out. So as you can see, it has blended into my skin, but this is a medium coverage foundation, medium to like sheer coverage foundation. So I will give another layer to this, to the places where I require, where I have dark spots. Just applying there. I will just build up the coverage over that place. This is a very sheer coverage foundation. So I'm taking Maybelline Age Refined Concealer. I can't do without this concealer. I love this concealer. I haven't found this full coverage affordable concealer till date. If I found later, but this is above 500, but you will get this within 500, I believe. There's always a sale going on. So this is how the concealer looks. So for setting everything into place, I am taking Kia Seeds Umbrella Sunscreen. I love this as a setting powder. I don't know. This is a sunscreen. I use this every day, but this is very good. It has a yellow tint to it, which looks very good as a setting powder. I'm not baking actually. I'm just trying to give it a perfect time till the time I set my whole face. So I am done with my base makeup. So next step I will start with is doing my eyebrows, and I do my eyebrows off cameras. So I'm done with my eyebrows. So I will start with my eye makeup. The palette which I am using is Pearl Eyeshadow, Mars Pearl Eyeshadow. I got this from Cuffs and Lashes. I will mention them in the description box. So the shade which I am using is this. The day I got this, I'm so attracted to it. Well, this is broken. The shipping had some problem and this was broken. It came broken, whatever. I got my refund all that stuff. So let's start with this color. I'm taking a blending brush and just taking this color and putting this. I'm depositing the whole amount of color. So you can see that warmth. There's a bit of fallout, but it's not too much. These eyeshadows are bit powdery, but you can blend them. And this eyeshadow palette was under 500, so you can understand how affordable this is. So I am happy with my transition color. You can see I will go in with a pencil brush and take this shade from the palette in the corner of my eyes to give my crease a little bit of dimension. I'm taking a very small brush and taking the same color and blending this out. Doing the same on the other eyelid. So I have done with my crease. So I'm thinking about what shall I do with my lid. Shall I go with this coppery shade right here or this pink over here? I think this is calling my name. ये coppery shade try करके देखते. Yes. I normally apply my shimmers with my hand. This is coming together. This shade is not that chunky, like glittery. It's a subtle. This glittery shade is not that much like glitter kind of. ये थोड़ा subtle type of shimmer type का है, and it looks so good with this eye look. I'm taking a small blending brush and blending these color together with the shimmer. I'm applying this color once again so that everything looks seamlessly blended. I'm taking the bigger blending brush and going back and forth in my crease to intensify that color once again. I want to take this look a bit far and apply a wing liner with Lakme Insta Line. This is how it looks. I've applied my wing liner. Now the look comes together a little bit. I will take my kajal pencil. This is by Faces Magnetite Kajal. This is how it looks. I have applied the kajal. This is how it looks. I'm taking this color and blending this near my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the same pencil brush and dipping into a shimmer shade from this Odobu palette. This was also, I don't know if this is found in India or not, but I love this palette for highlighting. It looks so, see, instantly it brightens everything out. I will take a very small blending brush and blend this out so that it doesn't look a stark of color. This is how my eye looks So the next product I will use for bronzing my face would be luxury bronzing powder. This is how it looks. I bought this from Jyoti Jia store on Instagram. I will take a big fluffy brush, take this color and just bronze my face. Now I will take this contouring shade from this palette and take this in a slided brush and apply this as a contour shade and blend this out from other edge. My eyes are bronzed and I don't want to apply a blush. I want to keep my skin totally bronzed out. So the next product which I am going to apply would be the highlighter. For highlighting, I am taking In Color Shimmer Brick palette. This was also under 500. I ordered this from, I don't remember, but I will find a link and give it below. I'm taking this shade from and applying this on the highest points of my cheek and blending everything out so that it looks seamless. I will go in my brow bone with the same shade. Well, suddenly I remember I forgot to contour my nose, so I'm doing it now. So after setting spray, everything looks so perfect. So you should actually apply setting spray to your makeup. I'm just bouncing my beauty blender to get that in. Everything soak into my skin, looking natural. Every powder which looks cakey, take that away. So the next thing I'm going to apply is mascara. I'm applying a mascara after my setting spray because this is not a waterproof mascara. I don't want my mascara to run down. This is how my eye makeup looks. The next product I am applying on my face is the lipstick. This is a nude lipstick, Camellia Overtime lipstick. This is a mauve nude. So I applied my lipstick. So this is my complete look. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to my channel, comment down below anything new you want to see. So till then, bye.